think to myself, what a wonderful.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Olivia and welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed already, make sure that you do that. I do a lot of vlog content in addition to like beauty, fashion, cooking. A few days ago, this company called BeautyBio sent me a package. This package. They reached out because about a month ago I made a reel on my Instagram talking about their lip serum, which, side note, that is and always will be one of my favorite products. This lip serum is unreal. It seriously makes you look like you got lip injections. For the longest time I used the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, which I know is a really popular one, and that one is great. It still works really well, but this one just makes your lips look so nice and glossy, and it really moisturizes them. I can't tell you how much I love that product. And so they ended up seeing this reel and asking if they could send me a few products. So of course I was like, yes, please, I would love that. I just told them my skin type and this is what they sent me. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. The packaging, first off, I just love the shade of pink. All right, so when you open it up, the first thing I have is this Cryo Roller. All right, I'm just gonna read about it. It helps tighten pores, it helps decrease puffiness, reduce redness, brighten tone, sculpt cheekbones, and soothe sore muscles. A few months ago, I made a video about how I struggle with TMJ, and so I actually think that this will be really good for like massaging my jawbone. Right now, I use a little roller that I put in my freezer, but this one is metal and it just like is already cool, apparently. I love using these roller things to really get the product into your skin. I feel like it helps it soak in and just makes your skin look more even and depuffed. So yes, I love these. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm super excited for this. The next thing I got is this little package. I'm gonna open it. This is called Bright Eyes, and it's basically illuminating silver and collagen eye gels. I've also been really into the eye masks recently, so I think that's what these are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they come like this, each like in their own individual packaging. I'm not gonna open one right now because I have makeup on, but it comes in a box of 15, and it's designed for all skin types. It helps repair and naturally encourage skin rejuvenation. Collagen helps firm and tighten the under eye area. Pearl powder helps eyes instantly appear brighter and more rested. Definitely need that. Then aloe vera calms and helps decrease appearance of puffiness. As I said, I've been really into these eye mask things and I am definitely gonna be using these all the time. Next thing, this is skincare product and it is the Balance. It is a pH balancing cleanser. Oh my gosh. I struggle with acne a lot. A lot of times acne actually comes from like yeast growth on your face, and that is a result of your pH being unbalanced. It is designed to gently restore skin's ideal neutral pH, keeping the important lipid layer intact for hydrated, perfectly conditioned skin. It is for sensitive skin as well, which I have very sensitive skin. So yeah. Okay, I love the bottle it's in. It's in like a squeeze bottle. And you also get so much product. This is 6 fluid ounces, which for a face wash is like quite a bit. The next thing is this daily serum. It is an intensive vitamin cocktail serum, and it's a little sun symbol on it, so I think that means you're supposed to use it in the morning. But yeah, this is also designed for all skin types. Basically, there's a lot of vitamins in this that boost the skin's antioxidant levels. It also helps shield against daily free radical damage. Oh wow, their packaging is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the rose gold. Last but not least, they sent me this Zen Bubble Gel Cream. This is meant for morning and night. I'm gonna open it up here. Ooh, okay. This one might be my favorite packaging. I think the BeautyBio pink is my favorite color of pink. Oh, it's an airless pump. Look, okay, so you press down on it like that. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I like that. That's like high-tech fancy. The Who, it is for sensitive, dehydrated, blemish-prone, and stressed skin. And the What, this is a lightweight gel cream that hugs skin in a protective, stress-free bubble to help skin stay hydrated, calm, and clear. And it looks like there's some awesome ingredients in this. I'm just reading through. Okay, so that wraps up my unboxing. I honestly cannot believe that BeautyBio was kind enough to send me this much stuff. it made my whole week. I'm obsessed with these products already. Sorry, my camera died. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep you guys in the loop. I'm sure you'll see more in my future videos. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because I post a lot more content there. Again, thank you BeautyBio for all of these products. I'm so excited, you have no idea. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.
What a wonderful